Properties and Shapes by Nailing Almoguera, Carolina Croes, and Gaudem Martinez. In this presentation, we are going to separate the shapes in three big parts: squares, cubes, and parallelepipeds, circles, cylinders, spheres, and arches, and triangles and pyramids. Geometric shapes are important for architecture and urban planning, since they are the base of structural design. Also, many construction materials present these shapes. We have to know that the structural systems, porches, paraboloids, trusses, beams, and domes come from geometrical figures.
Squares, cubes, and parallelepipeds. These are the most basic and employed shapes of construction. The parallelepiped is the most common shape in buildings. One of the structural systems where we can find these figures is in porches and trusses construction. If we take off some parts of these basic shapes, we can create new designs. Materials such as bricks, concrete, and wood can be shaped in these forms for construction. Beams and columns usually come in these shapes. Indoors, we can also find these figures in interior designs such as closets, doors, windows, and shelves. Squares and cubes can form the volumes of spaces like piazzas.
Circles, cylinders, spheres, and arches. Circles represent continuity. We can appreciate circles in cylindrical beams and columns. On the other hand, we can also find circles in tunnels, entrances, and piazza with this shape. Arches can be found in a structural system of trusses. There is a famous arch construction, which is actually a porch, the Triumphal Arch. The semisphere create important structural systems, such as paraboloids and domes. Domes is a representative structure that symbolizes religion. Circles is commonly found in a staircase. Bridges formed are usually circles or sphere.
Triangles and pyramids. The most important structural system for this shape is trusses. Most of the trusses have this shape. There are many triangle junctions used on the construction of paraboloids. But we can talk about pyramids without naming the Egypt pyramids, one of the 7 wonders of the world. Another famous pyramidal structure is the Louvre Museum, made with glass in France. One of the advantages of building with triangles is that they help structural design to be more profitable and attractive.
To end our presentation, we can say that geometrical shapes can be found individually or according to the structure design. We can use them together to complement each other.